That's the Blanco River here in Wimberley. That's the east side of the river over there. This River Road down here that truck's parked on. This is River Road Circle that comes up where I am here. And this gentleman walking down right here, he lives in that house right there. Well, right there too. Water was up over the roof, and within 6 inches of the roof of that one there. And water went all the way back to houses back in here and was at the top of them because there's a creek in behind, Cypress Creek. So this was all like a war zone.